Hey guys, Terry Hay here again. We're in the workshop here at Shock Treatment, and we're going to talk about a particular tool that's making our life easier here in the workshop. In this particular case, we have a WP4CS fork. 4CS fork was unique in its time. Not only was it a different design, but it came out with a lot of differences for disassembling and reassembling. Traditionally, WP forks would come apart with a 24mm wrench, and but there's no lugs or anything like that for a socket or a spanner to engage into. In this particular cap, it's a series of holes and a series of slots. And on the bottom of the fork, to get the base bolt out, basically it has a 17mm recess in there to take an Allen key. And you know, for most people, a 17mm Allen key is not what they'd normally have in their toolbox. It's a fairly big ask. And so Racetech came up with a tool for this particular fork, and it is utilised on other forks as well. But on this particular one, they have the pins that engage into the fork cap. One of the things with the fork caps as well, customers have a tendency to put bleeders into the fork. So Racetech have actually put a little groove in the top of this so that you can put that in around the bleeder and you're not going to destroy anything. And it has the 17mm hex on the other end of it, which will simply plug into here. And this whole tool is driven with a 3/8 drive socket wrench. So very, very simple. It's an elegant solution to what is a difficult fork to get apart. They're not very expensive, and it's something we use here on a regular basis. I'd strongly advise if you're going to be doing suspension, that's a very good tool to have in your drawer. The only other thing you need is like a seal pick just to pop it out and go and service your forks.